I'll be teaching us how to extract wax from our beacomb. Here I have wax from my previous honey harvest. So I'll be extracting wax from here. In my last video, I talked about beekeeping and benefits to beekeeping. I listed 6 products that the bees can give us, which are the propolis, the bee wax, royal jelly, and others. So today I'll be showing you what the bee wax looks like. We'll be extracting the bee wax today. So I have my pot. I have 3 pots here. Uh, the wax, my cooking gas. So let me light up the gas. I have water also. Then my spoon to strain. So first of all, I'm going to add little water to the pot. Then I'll wait to boil. When the water is boiling, what I'm going to do next is to add the wax inside the boiling water, and it will start to melt. So it's very easy. I'll wait for it to boil, then stir it up with my spoon. So it has started to boil. Now I'm going to stir it to mix and scatter the combs. That's my It's looking like soup. This is what it looks like after it has melted. You can see the bright yellow like honey. That is the wax. So I'm going to mix it well and wait for it to dissolve all. See, not all are dissolved like this one now. I'm still going to wait for it to dissolve. So I'm going to mix it well. As I'm waiting for the wax to melt, or let me mention some things we can use bee wax to do. Bee wax can be used in a cosmetics company to make body lotion and body cream, Vaseline, and so on. It can be used to make lip balm and also used to make polish, furnishing polish with shoe polish. Then also we can use bee wax for the bees back, like for baiting, like we use bee wax for foundation sheet. So it has all melted. So what I'm going to do now is I will pour it in here, then pour it back inside there when it's melted. So I'll put this training cloth on top of here, then put my spoon there. Now I'm going to turn it. going to turn it into the fruit. So as I'm squeezing, I'll be turning it. I'm still going to put this back on the fire, then add water to it. I'm going to pour this back on the fire and make it boil again. So we are going to wait for it to boil. It has boiled, and I'm going to sieve it again to remove wax from it. Okay, I think the water is not enough, so I'm going to add small water to it, then wait for it to boil again. As you can see, the oil in it now is not as much as it was before, so I'll be sieving it now. I just have to repeat the process until I have no more wax on the waste. This is the second time I'm squeezing. I'll be putting it back on fire for the third time. So after this, I'm not going to save it anymore. I'm going to throw out the shaft. Now I'm going to wait for it to boil again. So for the last time, I'm going to sieve. So I'm putting it back on fire for it to melt. Then after it has boiled, I'm going to drop it down and leave it to cool. So I'll be teaching you how to wash the pot, everything I've used here. I'm teaching you how to wash them. So this, I'm throwing this away. I don't need this anymore. It's waste. So I'll wait for this to boil. before we do the cleanup. And all we need for the washing is we need soap with warm water, not necessarily hot. So now I've waited for it has boiled. I'm going to bring it down. Then for the washing, I will put this pot back on fire. I'll add little soap to it. I have my sponge. So I'll wait for the water to be warm as I wash the pot with it. All you just need just warm water with soap, then you can wash your utensils and everything will be clean. So this is the wax that we've gotten. I'm going to allow it to sit down for a couple of hours so it will solidify. Then we remove the wax from the water. I'm done with the cleaning, and in summary to what I've done here is the comb, I melted them, then sieved them out. As I melt them, they turn to liquid. Then I sieve it out, which is the result we have here. So we are going to leave it now to solidify. So I'll be coming back to show you what the end product looks like.
So this is what it looks like when it cools down and solidify. With this we can use this for baiting of our eyes, and we can also use it to make foundation sheet for the bees again. I'll be removing this now so you can see how it looks like. So this how it looks like. This is the end product. To just use this, you just have to melt it and use. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so, and also click on the notification bell to get notified of our new videos. Thank you.